Hey there, adventurers. Welcome back to All About Panama. Today, we're diving into a creepy, crawly, and totally fascinating topic: the bugs of Panama. Don't hit that skip button just yet. Bugs aren't all bad. Some of them are beautiful, some are crucial for our ecosystems, and okay, some are just downright scary. So whether you're planning a trip to Panama or you're just curious about what kinds of critters call this tropical paradise home, stick around because we are about to explore the good, the bad, and the fascinating world of Panama's bugs. Let's go. Let's start with the showstoppers, the bugs that even the most squeamish among us can't help but admire. Did you know that Panama is home to over 1,500 species of butterflies? That's right, this country is a butterfly paradise. One of the most stunning species you'll find here is the blue morpho butterfly. Its iridescent blue wings are like something out of a dream, and when they flutter through the rainforest, it's pure magic. And it's not just butterflies stealing the spotlight. Panama also has some truly impressive beetles. The rhinoceros beetle, for example, looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. These guys can grow up to 6 inches long and are incredibly strong. They can lift 850 times their own weight. Talk about bug superpowers. Next up, let's talk about the bugs that are quietly saving the planet. Yes, I'm talking about bees and ants. Panama is home to various bee species, including the famous stingless bees that produce honey with a unique tangy flavor. These bees are vital for pollinating the plants that make Panama's lush forests and farmlands thrive. And then there are the ants. Oh boy, there are a lot of ants. One of the coolest types you'll find here is the leafcutter ant. These tiny workers march in long lines carrying pieces of leaves back to their nests, where they use them to grow a fungus that serves as their food. It's like they have their own little farming operation. Pretty amazing, right? Now, let's get into the weird and wonderful world of Panama's more unusual bugs. Have you ever heard of the lanternfly? These bizarre insects have a head that looks like a peanut, and they're so strange that local legends once claimed they were poisonous. Spoiler alert. They're harmless, but they sure do look wild. Another oddball is the giant walking stick insect. These masters of camouflage can grow up to a foot long and are so good at blending into their surroundings that you might not even notice one unless it starts moving. And let's not forget the tailless whip scorpion. Before you freak out, no, it's not dangerous. This spider-like bug may look intimidating with its long, spindly legs, but it's actually harmless to humans. In fact, it's pretty shy and would rather hide than interact with you. Okay, let's be real. Some bugs in Panama are less about beauty and wonder and more about being a bit of a nuisance. The number one culprit? Mosquitoes. These little bloodsuckers aren't just annoying, they can carry diseases like dengue fever and malaria. That's why it's super important to wear insect repellent if you're exploring the outdoors in Panama. Another common pest is the chigger, a tiny mite that can leave you with itchy red bites. They love grassy areas, so be sure to wear long pants if you're hiking or spending time in the countryside. And then there's the infamous bullet ant. Known for having one of the most painful stings in the insect world, this ant isn't out to get you, it's just defending itself. So, as with most wild animals, it's best to give them their space. When the sun goes down, Panama's bugs don't go to sleep, they just get started. One of the most fascinating nighttime critters is the firefly. Seeing their tiny lights blinking in the darkness is like watching nature's own light show. Another cool nocturnal bug is the glowworm beetle larva. Found in caves or humid forests, these little guys use bioluminescence to attract prey. And if you're really lucky, or unlucky, depending on how you feel about bugs, you might spot a giant centipede at night. These creepy crawlers can grow up to 12 inches long and are fierce predators. Just keep your distance and let them do their thing. Love them or hate them, bugs play a huge role in Panama's incredible biodiversity. They pollinate plants, break down organic matter, and serve as food for countless other animals. Without them, the entire ecosystem would fall apart. And here's a fun fact: Panama's bugs aren't just important for the environment, they're also inspiring scientists and innovators. For example, studying the structure of beetle shells has led to new materials in technology and engineering. How cool is that? So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the incredible world of bugs in Panama? From the beautiful butterflies to the hardworking ants to the downright bizarre creatures lurking in the shadows, Panama's bugs are proof that nature is endlessly fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow bug lovers, or bug skeptics, and subscribe to All About Panama for more wild and wonderful adventures. Let me know in the comments which of these bugs you'd love to see, or which one you'd rather avoid. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Click here to watch our video on Panama's nocturnal animals, or check out this one for a deep dive into the reptiles of Panama. See you soon.